Hello, fellow science nerds. Let's talk about something that might be looming over you right now. Big, scary biology exams. I'm looking at you, AP Bio and EST. These tests can feel like a gigantic mountain of information, and trying to cram all of that knowledge into your brain the night before is like trying to fit a blue whale into a bathtub. That's why we need to talk about preparation. Not just flipping through a textbook, but real smart and, dare I say, fun preparation. Think of it this way. You wouldn't try to climb Mount Everest without a plan, right? Your biology exam is your Mount Everest. A solid preparation strategy breaks down this intimidating challenge into smaller, manageable steps. First things first, you need a blueprint. Grab the official course outlines. These are literally a list of things the test makers expect you to know. Focus on the big-ticket items. We're talking about the 4 big ideas in AP Bio: evolution, energetics, information storage, and systems interactions. Don't get lost in tiny details. Instead, make sure you deeply understand core processes like photosynthesis and gene expression. Create a study schedule. Break your prep into 30 to 45-minute chunks. Maybe DNA structure on Monday, cellular transport on Tuesday. We live in a golden age of learning resources. Use YouTube channels like Crash Course, Khan Academy, and good review books designed for exam content. Most critical: practice questions. Lots of them. Get every past AP exam you can find and learn the language of the exam. Let's talk memory hacks. Flashcards are amazing for active recall. Don't just read them. Force your brain to pull the answer out before flipping. This act of retrieval strengthens neural pathways. It's like doing a bicep curl for your brain cells. Get creative with mnemonics. Remember taxonomic ranks? Dear King Philip came over for good soup. Domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, draw it out. Simple stick figures and shapes can transform abstract processes into dynamic visuals you can see in your mind's eye. Link concepts to your life. When eating salad, think about photosynthesis in those lettuce chloroplasts. This makes information meaningful and memorable. Exams are stressful, but you can manage it. Practice breathing exercises. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This calms your nervous system. On exam day, get good sleep and eat a balanced breakfast with protein and complex carbs, not sugar that leads to crashes. When the clock starts, scan the entire test first. Allocate time to each section. Don't get stuck on single questions. Make educated guesses and move on. For free response questions, read carefully and underline action words. Are you asked to describe, explain, or justify? Each requires different answers. Look how far you've come. You've absorbed incredible information about life's machinery. You've put in hours, wrestled with complex ideas, and prepared for this challenge. Success isn't about being a genius. It's about diligence, strategy, and perseverance. Every flashcard reviewed, every diagram drawn has been building you up. When you sit down in here, you may begin. Take one deep breath. You belong there. You've earned this opportunity. Trust your preparation and your ability to think critically. You're a scientist in training, and this is just one exciting challenge you'll overcome. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the strength. You are ready. You've totally got this. Now go be awesome.